So this is either side of the soil pipe. As you can see, the joist is rotten through. So the joist there, we've got all this. This isn't looking good. This one, that's rotted as well. So we've got the two joists. All the floorboards are rotten through. That's rotten there. It's quite dry now, mind. So that's the state of that. So this is where we're at with the suspended floor. Now we had a dodgy joist here. Alright, looked like it had woodworm as well. This was touching the cold feed here. Alright, we got this joist here. This is the one we took out in the other room. You can see the new joist we put in beside that. So that's being changed. They're all being changed actually. The customer said changed a lot because we've had drill holes through here for soil, for the waste for the shower. But here's the problem. We have found the problem. This pipe, as you can see here, look, is cracked. It's cracked down there, and it goes all the way down around there. So I'm glad we found the problem. This is right behind the wall that I said was wet in this general area here. So we're going to be putting a new soil pipe in, which is great for the customer. We're obviously doing the bathroom, so we can connect the shower directly to that. So yeah, we've got a few things to sort out. We're going to be changing every single joist here. Here's the copper feeds, look, none of them were lagged, so we're going to get them lagged. Well, obviously we're going to repipe now, so I'm going to be repiping higher in here. We're going to put a new stopcock in, move that. We've got to sort the central heat in, lag all that, and change all the joists in here. So it looks like we found the problem here. Obviously we got the main, well, you can't call it a soil pipe basically, it's a sewer lock. You got the sewer that goes to the drain, which is outside underneath the window of the bathroom I showed you on a previous video. And if you come up to here then, I was looking at this thinking, why ain't I seeing the problem? But I bent down, come around the side of the pipe as you can see, and it's all cracked. You've got a big crack running from here, right the way down here. I'll try and come around, look, see? And it's cracked down there. So every single time the toilet is being flushed, it's been feeding water into here. I did say this was the problem area here from the room on the other side. I did suspect it. So we're going to dig this all out. We're going to run a new soil pipe in. We're going to connect the new shower tray to that soil pipe. And then that should be all our problems gone. We've cleared all of this floor out because this was a hell of a mess. We have got some old cold feeds here. They've been condensating, so we got all them lagged. Get the central heating lagged. It's a one pipe system. And obviously repipe all brand new pipe for the bathroom. So I think we've sorted the problems. Well, we haven't sorted them yet, but we have found what they are. As you can see, we've taken the old joists out now. We're about to remove the old sewer pipe, well, soil pipe, and there's a new one going in the corner, so but there, as you can see, and there's the mains feed and all that's getting replaced as well, all piped on the perimeter of the bathroom. Where the pile of cement was, the concrete, and all of that is soaking wet, so we'll open up these vents here now, and then it'll be a hell of a lot better. So this is where we're at. We've repiped the bathroom, bringing all the pipe above floorboard level, lagged all the pipes, installed new joist with DPC underneath, cleared out all the rubbish that was underneath the floors just to make sure that we could see if there's any other issues, cleared all the vent bricks out. Right, so we're at the back of the property now. So this is the room right here where we had the problem with the water. Now here's the vent. Alright, it is quite low to the floor, and we're thinking when it's raining, because we poured water down here and it falls through and goes into the vent, it could be falling down the side here and getting down here, because all this is soft. This is just soil by the looks of it, and the water could be tracking down there. So we're just figuring out what the problems are. This is probably one of them. Obviously these sills as well ain't helping. They're set back, water's rushing off there, running down this wall. So it could be multiple issues causing the problem here. And here's the path that goes around here then. So they're going to remove this. They're going to get rid of it, because obviously it's raised up. It's above damp course, so they just need to get rid of this now, and then we think the problems will be gone.